Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you're all doing great. Today's video is all about how to make simple Szechuan fried rice at home. This I have made using eggs. Without eggs also you can easily make at home. I'll give all the ingredient details in the description box as well. For this first I am going to soak 10 red chilies in hot water for minimum 15 minutes. So for the sauce I am going to use soy sauce, vinegar, red chilies and some garlic. So before that I will show you what all we needed for the fried rice. Some eggs, ginger garlic, spring onions, white and green part and some vegetables. Here I finely chopped all the vegetables and I kept it aside. So first we are going to grind the red chilies. By using water I ground the red chilies into a fine paste. First let's prepare the sauce. For this I am taking a pan which is nice and hot now. Adding a teaspoon of oil, preferably sesame oil. Then adding the finely chopped garlic, which I am going to saute this for a minute or till it turns slightly golden. Now you can see the garlic has turned golden. I am adding the red chili paste here. I am just going to saute the red chili paste for a minute. Then adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water here. I'm just slightly washing the mixer and adding the same water here. Just cook it for a minute, not more than that. The raw smell will leave after a minute. Now I'm going to add pinch of salt here, mixing it completely. So after adding the salt, cook it for another minute. Now it's time to add soya sauce and vinegar. Don't add too much of soya sauce, just half teaspoon is more than enough, and some vinegar. Just mixing it completely and cook for another minute. So this sauce will get ready in 5 minutes. No need much of time. The sauce is completely ready now. Keep it aside. Let's start with the fried rice. To a white pan I am adding some oil. The oil is super hot now. Now I am adding ginger and garlic which is finely chopped. Sauteing this for a minute till it gives nice aroma. Now I am going to add the spring onion, green part little bit and white part. I took 3 spring onions here. Just sauteing this until it turns transparent. No need for golden brown and all. Just saute this until it turns transparent. Cabbage should be more compared to all the veggies. So just toss everything in high flame for 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that. Don't cook in low flame and don't add salt now at this stage. You can add salt later. Now you can see it's all cooked now. Keep the vegetables aside and make a dent, adding some oil in the dent and cracking 3 eggs. Don't ever add the egg straight into the veggies. The taste will not be nice. Always try to cook the egg separately and mix. If your pan is so small, try to cook the egg in a separate pan and mix it. Here my pan is little big, so I am doing it in the same pan. Now the egg is completely cooked. Now you can mix it with the veggies. Now mix the egg completely with the veggies. Toss everything in the high flame. The whole process should be done in the high flame. Then only the vegetables will be crunchy and cooked, otherwise it will become soggy. Now it is all mixed properly here. Now we are going to add the prepared sauce. Little bit of soy sauce, vinegar. Just mix this completely. Don't add all the sauce. I just added like around 70% of the sauce here. It may be spicy if you add everything. Then add in the cooked rice and mixing it thoroughly. The rice should be little separate, not so sticky. Then only the fried rice will be nice. Then finishing off with some green onions. Mix it completely. If there is any lumps, try to break all the lumps. That's it. The fried rice is done. Thank you for watching.